Well, go in peace. Back again. Me say sometime you see some video from Jamaica, it just make you want to go back, even though they're foreign and everything kind of alright. But the video I'm gonna share right now is a prime example of why, you know, sometimes you miss the whole Jamaican lingo and the way how, authentic Jamaican people operate. So make it right now, make you go check out it right now and see what I go on, because it's hilarious to a certain degree. And it's just typical Jamaican. But make you check it out right now.
Everything in the community last night had to close because of the mosquito invasion.
If you want to see synchronized swimming or dancing, hawks the mosquito synchronized dancing in the sky, come up and go down and dance and come down and go back on. Whole group of them.
Jesus Christ!
That. I'm calling on the health department to take immediately the action of spraying.
Boy, I'm here to tell you, hey, them people are not easy at all. You man say if you want to synchronize swimming, see mosquito soon go up in the ear and come back down. You have to go check out them mosquito there. What kind of mosquito them so bad? Mirated. But anyway, yo, I just think that the video is too funny if keep it by myself, so I have to share it with everybody, you see me? So, thank you for watching this. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. God bless you.